Hello there everyone, welcome back to Ants Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic, do ants go through complete metamorphosis or incomplete metamorphosis? In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail. So let's start the video. Ants go through a complete metamorphosis involving four stages: egg, larva, pupae and adult. It takes approximately 60 to 65 days for an egg to transform into an adult. The lifespan of the queen, worker and male ants varies with the type of species and environmental conditions after completing metamorphosis. Ants have well-organized reproductive system as their life is more prone to danger, which causes them to reproduce and make colonies faster than other insects. Some insects go through incomplete metamorphosis, such as praying mantis, cockroaches, termites, and grasshoppers, while others have a complete metamorphosis process. Insects like ants, wasps, moths, butterflies, and beetles go through the complete biological process of metamorphosis. There are three kinds of metamorphosis in insects: a metabolism, hemimetabolism, and holometabolism. Ants go through holometabolism, which involve the four growth stages such as egg, larvae, pupae, and adult. Complete metamorphosis is essential because an immature and weak insect cannot survive long, and the habitat of immature ants differs from the adult one. They cannot reproduce or mate like other insects because only the queen ant can mate with the male or produce the worker ants, and some female worker insects cannot mate or reproduce. They go through metamorphosis to become an adult, and it involves four growth stages, which are explained in this video. The queen ant mates with the male ant and produces an egg approximately 1 millimeter small and has a white sticky texture. The queen reproduces asexually and sexually to reproduce fertile queen and non-fertile female worker ants. In most species, the queen takes the alternative mode of reproduction to lay reproductive and non-reproductive ants, such as the fertile eggs changes into females and the non-fertile changing into worker or male ants. It is soft and has an oval shape, and many eggs stick to each other when placed together due to the sticky texture, which causes the queen to carry them together to the nest. The egg can hatch in 6 to 14 days depending on the type of ant and the environment provided. The queen can lay eggs and eat them when no other food is available to get some strength and nutrients. These eggs convert into larvae, which are larger in length than the egg and have a shape like a banana. They do not have eyes or legs formed in this stage, but the hair starts growing when an egg converts into larvae. They need a constant food supply to grow, and queen and worker ants are on duty to feed them and provide suitable conditions and environments to grow. They need a lot of nutrients and liquid food in this stage. Some queens feed them with properly chopped solid food so they can consume and digest it easily. Larvae also release fluid or liquid which attracts the workers if the liquid they release is floury. Otherwise, they throw it as a waste outside the colony. This is the most crucial and sensitive stage for the ant metamorphosis process, as the larvae undergo a series of molting processes to grow and change the body structure. Pupae is a third stage in metamorphosis, which causes the larvae to become slightly darker from the whitish shade and remove the poison it collects over time during the larvae stage. The larva starts developing wings, eyes, and legs during their conversion to pupae, while the legs, antennae, and wings are folded with the body. Some ant species do not undergo the pupae stage and do not spin cocoons, such as the Lochius niger ant species does not go through pupae metamorphosis. Some insects create cocoons as a protection cover to ensure that they reach the adult stage without any harm from predators. It takes approximately 10 to 30 days for pupae to complete this stage and enter adulthood stage. It depends on the type of the species, as some hatch soon while others take more time to become adults. This is the last stage of ant metamorphosis and causes the pupae to develop an exoskeleton, which prevents the further growth of the species. The adult insect is darker and soft, which forms a rigid body skeleton and color after a few days. The worker ants let these new adult ants rest for a few days, then assign the duties to protect the queen and young eggs. The female workers work for the colonies to get food and take care of the colony, while the male workers mate with the queen ant to produce more eggs to increase the number of colonies. It takes approximately 60 to 65 days for these insects to complete the process of metamorphosis. as it depends on the type of species and environmental conditions. Thanks for watching the video.